many a man of mark, and dares not answer nay. Ah!
I pray thee, gentle mortal, sing again. Mine ear is much enamoured of thy note, so is mine ear enthralled to thy shape. But thy fair virtues force perforce doth move me, for the first view to sing, to swear. I love thee.
Methinks, mistress, you should have little reason for that. And yet, to say the truth, reason and love keep little company together nowadays.
Thou art as wise as thou art beautiful.
Not so neither. But if I had enough wit to get myself out of this wood, I'd have enough wit to serve mine own turn.
No! Out of this wood do not desire to go. Thou shalt remain here whether thou wilt or no. I am a spirit of no common rate. The summer still doth tend upon my state. And I do love thee.
And bedtime.
What are they? What music? How shall we regard the labour time if not with some delight?
Here is a paper of how many sports are right. Make choice of which your highness will see first. The battle of the centaurs, to be sung by an Athenian eunuch to the harp.
I'll none of that.
All with weary task for done. Now the wasted branch can go. Whilst the just reaching ground. What's the rest of light and woe? Every atom of the ground.
Now it is the time of night, that the great door gaping wide, everyone that forth is right, through the church by plastic line, happily families that will run by the triple-headed stream, from the presence of the sun, following darkness like a dream. Now our folly!
Through the house in glimmering light, by the dead and drowsy fire, every elf and fairy sprite, hot and light as birds from fire. Like the city, after me, sing and dance trippingly.
Through the house in glimmering light, by the dead and drowsy fire, every elf and fairy sprite, hopeless light as bird from bright.
Now, unto the break of day, through this house each fairy stray. To the best bride bed will we, which by us will blessed be.
And the issue, there create, ever shall be fortunate. So shall all the couples three. Ever true in loving be.
And this field do consecrate. Every fairy take their gate, and each several royal chamber bless through this palace with sweet peace. Trip away, make no stay. Meet me all by break of day. It lies in you. Why should Titania cross her overall? I do but beg a little Indian boy to be my henchman.
Set your heart at rest. The fairyland buys not the child of me. His mother was a votress of my order. And in the spiced Indian air at night, full often hath she gossiped by my side, and sat with me on Neptune's yellow sands, marking the embarked traders on the flood. When we have laughed to see the sails conceive and grow big-bellied in the wanton wind, which she, with pretty and with swimming gait following, her womb then rich with my young squire, would imitate and sail upon the land to fetch me trifles and return again, as from a voyage rich with merchandise. But she, being mortal, of that boy did die. And for her sake do I rear up her boy. And
If I were fed this be, I were only die!
Monstrous! Oh, strange! We are haunted! Pray, masters! Fly, masters! I'll follow you about around. Sometime a horse I'll be, sometimes a hound.
I see their knaveries. It's to make an ass of me. To frighten me if they could, but do what they can, I will not stir from this place. I shall walk up and down here, and I shall sing to show them that I am not afraid. married today. Dear actors, get your costumes together, good strings to your beards, and meet presently at the palace. No more words. Away. Go away!
Now it is the time of night that the great all gaping line. Everyone lets forth his fright through the turnway past the line. And with fairies have to run like a triple-headed team from the presence of the sun, following darkness like a dream. Now I'll follow
Through the house in glittering lights,
By the dead and drowning fire,
every elf
and fairy sprites.
hot as light and burn from bright.
and this city after me sing and dance its training.
But perhaps your song vibrates to each word a moving note. Hand in hand with fairy grace, we will sing and bless this place.
Through the house in glittering light, by the dead and drowsy fire, every elf and fairy sprite, all that's light and spread from bright.
Now, unto the break of day, through this house each fairy stray. To the best bride bed will we, which by us will blessed be.
And the issue there create ever shall be fortunate, so shall all the couples three. Ever true, in loving be.
And this field you consecrate, every fairy take their gate, and each several chamber bless. Through this palace with sweet peace. Trip away, make no stay, meet me all by break of day.
If we shadows have offended, think but this, and all is mended, that you have but slumbered here, whilst these visions did appear. And in this weak and idle theme, no more yielding, but a dream. And as I am an honest part, if we have unearned luck, now to speak the serpent's tongue, we'll make amends ere long, or else the but a liar call. So good night to you all. Give me your hands if we be friends, and Robin shall restore amends.
Where you came in, out after the arch to the truck. It's not that far, really. The quicker you help us, the quicker we can all go for a beer.